Hi everyone and welcome to Lisika Writes video. I am Tirofato and I heard you're going to Bots, you're going to Botswana, you're going to Southern Africa, you're going to South Africa and you want to learn Setswana, some sayings that will get you by. I have a video just for you. The first word to say, of course, is hi, hello, dumela, dumela, dumela ma for if that's a woman, with respect, dumela ra if it's a man. Dumela ra, dumela ma, plural or many people, or greeting one person, but with respect, you would say dumelang, dumelang. And then you would also say goodbye, khusiami, khusiami. So khusiami ma, khusiami ra, if you want to individualize it, or khusiami for everything. Then you might also say please, tswe tswe, tswe tswe. Thank you. Ke a leboga. Ke a leboga. Thank you. Yes. If you're agreeing with someone saying, do you want to go out for drinks? Yes. Yes, thank you. Yes, please. A is yes. A is yes. It goes with this movement of your head, nodding. A. So to have respect, or to kind of make it a bit more respectful, you might say ema for a woman, or era for a man. And you might say sleep well, robala sentle, robala sentle, have a good night, sleep well. Lala sentle, have a good night, sleep well. See you tomorrow. Ke tla go bona kamoso. Ke tla go bona kamoso. I will see you tomorrow. Bona is see, kamoso is tomorrow. So if I'm seeing you later, see you later. Ke tla go bona kantele. Ke tla go bona kantele. That means I will see you later. And how do you say no? I don't know if I said no. No, nya. Nya, with this head movement. Nya. Nyama, if it's a woman. Nyara, if it's a man. But nya. Nya. Or you might informally say, that means no. That means yes. Well, I hope that some vocabulary words that are helpful for your trip, or for your, meeting up with people from Botswana. Until next time, ketla hobona kamoso. I will see you tomorrow. Khusiami. Bye.